Hello fellow YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some of these custom window shades that I've made. I got the pair of front window shades right here. And then I have the back door window shades that I have created. I also have these quarter glass shades for these little windows right here. And I have the real big back window shade. So I'm going to show you a little bit of how I made them, how they seal up, no gaps or anything, and let's get to it. So we're going to start with the front windows, and all you got to do, I usually start and push it down above the door panel first. Get it in this little area. And you kind of work your way around the edges really good. And then once you get it pretty much in there, I like to take my fingernail and go all the way around and make sure that this window shade gets up between the window seals. And that way it'll have a really good seal and really insulate the car. There's not a single gap around this right here. And what I used is Reflectix. I just picked it up at Lowe's. And I did use some paper grocery bags first. I just kind of put them in here the same way, and they overhung around the door frame. I just, again, just used my fingernail, went all the way around, made a nice crease, and cut it out with scissors, made that template, did each window like that. So I've been pretty pleased so far. I haven't actually camped yet, so I'll be doing that probably in about 2 weekends, so I'll do a video on that sometime. But yeah, let me show you the back windows. I've got these back shades right here. I'm going to do the same thing. Usually start at the top of the door panel, push it down, and just kind of work your way around. And then once you get it kind of snug, take your fingernail and run it all the way around the window seal. I made these a little bigger, and that way I was able to make it where this would go up into the window seal and make it real tight. And that's the back window. Alright, I'm going to show you this back quarter window now. And this one doesn't really have any seals to help it hold better, but just push it in there pretty good. It'll stay. I'm going to do this back window right here. This one seals up really, really, really nice. Goes right behind this rubber gasket. You stick your fingernail up in there. And then I got all my window shades in. I can show you real quick. Got the back window, side quarter glass, back door window, front door windows, and the back door there, and the other quarter glass. So that's all there is to it for installing them. Now we'll take you on a little bit of a detailed tour of just, around the seals to show you how well they seal. So I'll do that here in just a second for you. Here's the front door. Just take you all the way around. Go across the bottom. Go up the edge. So that's the front door. These quarter windows don't really have a way to seal them too good. I got, down in the plastic, behind the plastic as much as I could. But it's good enough, Keep the heat out. Kind of privacy too. These window shades will be pretty dang nice while camping. I do need to make a front windshield one, but I ran out of material, so I have to maybe go get some more. Well, you're probably wondering what I'm gonna do for ventilation after closing up all my windows. Well, I got a solution. I made another panel and traced it the same way, and I just cut a square in the center, picked up some Mosquito Screen from Lowe's, and after I did that, I used a hot glue gun and I cut 2-inch pieces all the way around, cut the screen out to size with about 2 inches overlapping, and then I just glued it all down with a hot glue gun. This is the final product. Now I am trying to make sure they stay in the window. I haven't had too many problems with that yet, but this one I made an extra 1/2 inch lip on the top to see if it'll hold any better than the other one I made. So let me put these in and I'll show you how they look. I'm gonna do the back window for you the best I can. I got the lift gate up, but you can see it sucks down into the seal pretty dang good. You just kind of push your finger down and run it across, and then that way it pushes the insulation between the seal, and it's holding. So here is the back window screen that I made. You can roll the window half down, however far you want. I leave it about halfway, but it's about how I did it. And there's really no gaps for bugs to get in. So we'll see how it works. Here it is from the inside. Everything lines up good, pushes up into the seals. Might have to use some Velcro to really make them hold, but not really sure yet. I shut the door and it's still holding. And take you around to the other side. Now this one, I made an extra little lip in the top to push it up into the door a little better. So I was able to push it up into the seal right here, where the window actually, goes up in. And I think that might be a little bit better of a design. So I'm going to try both of them out in about 2 weeks, so I'll let you know and keep you posted. So for my lighting solution, I just got some Harbor Freight lights for really cheap. Used 2 bungee cords around the handles in here. Can hang, a few lights. Probably hang a DeWalt 20 volt job site fan that I've ordered. I do not have it yet, but I'll get a video of that and maybe do a review on it, see how I like it. And then I got my Yeti, and I have this old little air mattress from years ago, a Thermarest, so it'll do for now. Might have to get a foam mattress later and just see how comfortable it is. So that's pretty much my camping setup, my window coverings, my screens. I got to do a front windshield shade, and probably get some cooking stuff together. But that's pretty much all I got for now. So I've also got an air pump that I've used several times. Now this little guy right here, the Noco Boost, that has saved me many times. Highly recommend having one of these. Can charge your phone and a few other things with it, but definitely a very good thing to have if you're out camping or traveling or anything. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and if you do like the video, hit the like button. Please subscribe. And I'd also like to do a shout out to Nikki Delventhal, the girl that lives in the Toyota Prius. She helped me out with some things, and also Overland Lady Monique. So thank you all for helping me out, and let's get out and enjoy the outdoors. Let's just go have some fun.